Ah, you're right, guys. How's it going? Look at this gorgeous sunset. 20 minutes condensed down to 15 seconds. Anyway, what we got for you today? Oh yeah, more tomatoes, and getting some more seeds from a juicer and picking the rest of the fruits. Alright guys, I tell you what, that's a bit autumnal today. There's a nip in the air, it's gone really cold. I'm just going to quickly process some of the, I don't know, half of the Brad's Atomics. What I want to do is get juice out of the red ones, save the green ones, and I'm going to get the seeds. I want the seeds. So I'm just going to whiz them through here. Save chopping them all up. When I've done that, I got a few blooming rose de burn with blossom end rot. So I'll put, not rose de burn, Oishi pink, so I'll put those through as well. Obviously after cleaning, so I don't cross-contaminate all the seeds. I've got the coarse, what is it, sieve strainer in there, just to get a lot of the pulp in there. I'll put the pulp, wash it through, same as before, you know what I mean? So let's get on with it. So, as much as I like these Brad's Atomics, I do find the skins are quite thick on them. I don't know, and I said to is it Ellie and Kate and that, and Danny, why is it mine are all red? Everybody else I'm looking at on YouTube, they got the purple ones, they got the funky, greeny, yellow ones with stripes, and they're all ripe. These are ripe, but they're bright red. Every single one I've got is red. So weird, so weird. I ain't getting much, oh yeah, I'm getting some skins out, that's what he wanted, so I'll save that one. See, that's almost a funny one, but it's still red, you know. It's almost like they're normal tomatoes, but a funny shape. And they are very pointy, mine. And that's another trait. Every single one is like that. It's not like, you know, there's a few that are proper shape. They're all very, very pointy, look. And that could be down to stress. But they like growing with me, so why are they stressed? Anyway. Yeah, the ones in the hydroponics have done better than the ones in the pots, I must admit. That's almost purple, but it's not. It's green and red. Yeah, these are on the turn, so they'll be all right. They should ripen. I'll leave that one. Oh, I've got a few red ones at the bottom. No, I'll leave those. What's that? Well, that's about it then. Let's go and sieve that and get on with it. Well, there we are then. One lot of Brad's Atomic grape juice. One lot of Oishi pink juice because the tomatoes were going off. One lot of Oishi pink seeds, and there are quite a few in there. But look at this lot of Brad's Atomics, look at that. Got enough seeds in there for a while. And a bit of cleaning up to do. Right then guys, well the weather's getting a bit colder now, so I'm going to get all these tomatoes off here. Quite a few actually. I see the slugs that I go at a couple. And there aren't many green ones, so I'm going to get all these in a bowl. Bring you back when it's done, because there's no point watching me. Well, there we go then, not a bad haul for a volunteer tomato. I'm going to bin the little green ones, I don't need those. So that's that 30 litre bucket all ready for next year. Just needs a bit more fertiliser in it. That'll be the 5th year then with beans in that one. That tomato, that grew, it was an indeterminate, I don't know what it was. Maybe sweet million, I'm not sure. It was indeterminate anyway. And it grew from 5 side shoots. I let all the side shoots grow and that was 5 side shoots. So I've had all these tomatoes here and I've had at least 3 or 4 trusses off it. And brilliant. Right, next up, pick some of the ripe tomatoes. These are Crimson Crush here. Some Meccano in the back. I can see some red against the gas meter. Yeah, Shirami over there, the long strings. That is a pink brandy wine, so I'll pick those couple. Nothing on the Rose de Burn. Couple of big mamas there to have, 3 or 4 actually, well maybe more. And the Brad's Atomics. And if we go on the other side, we have, around the other side we have some ripe purple Cherokee or Cherokee purple. But once again, they're not purple, they are, in the sun, bright red. I reckon Danny's done me over here. Yeah, here's the Shiramis. I gotta get those picked. There's some dead ones there. Yeah, cool. Right, let's get that done. Oh, let me show you back again. Hang on. Oh, here's the volunteer. Here's the little volunteer that dropped into the parsnip box. I've been picking those for my salads. Very nice. And my old favourites up there. Look at that. That's the tumbler. Those 2 baskets. First to flower, first to fruit, and they are still going like mad. So I'll be taking off a few of those today to boost them into a renewed vigour. And at the back we got the Oishi pink. Couple up there which probably won't come to much, but I've got a ripe one there, so. Yeah, that's the weirdest tomato in the world, that one. Okay then, that's the tomatoes, had a quick haircut, a quick cropping. Funny to say that, because that's Blossom's hairdresser's car there. Yeah, so quite a few taken. I'll show you at the back in a second. Looks like there's quite a few more to come, and the tumblers aren't giving in just yet. Well, here they are then. I've left the tumbler in the bowl, so I'm going to wash those in a second to use. There's the Cherokee purples, or the purple Cherokees. Still reckon they're red. I suppose, though, if you squint hard enough and rub your eyes, and, you know, you could say that was almost purple. Oh, I don't know. Big mamas, yeah. Couple of pink brandy wines. Brad's Atomic Grape. I only picked a couple because the rest aren't quite ripe. Weird. Oishi pink, just the one there. Look at these Shiramis. I love these great trusses. Definitely going to grow those again next year. And Crimson Crush. So, thinking cap on, what to make? I bet we'll have a rest and think about it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. I've had my thinking cap on, and I've already made one tomato dish. That's coming very, very shortly. Stay safe out there, look after yourselves, and I'll catch you on the next video, which may very well feature the ingredients on the table.